Now, women play a critical role in Kenya's dairy industry, but limited ownership of land and farm assets is locking many out of access to credit and business expansion opportunities. Speaking during the launch of Women in Dairy Farming report, lead expert Nancy Rapando noted that a high number of women in dairy farming don't own title deeds to the farms and other collateral required to secure financing.
Women are major participants in the cooperatives, but they only taking up 30% of leadership positions. Another thing is that we realize that women are agreeing that they're now controlling the dairy income, but this control is also tailored in a way that we have a number of M-Pesa systems where money goes through, which are male numbers. So these are numbers of husbands, so they're male children. So that shows that that control could be tied to some level of male explanation.
The uptake is quite high. The workforce, 80% is probably women. So their involvement in production is quite high, which I would say women had they are at the heart of the day.